Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop someone from spying on your SIM card. If you are worried about SIM hacking, strange messages or unusual account activity, these steps will help you secure your phone and protect your data. So first of all, you need to watch for the warning signs. If you suddenly lose the network signals, can't make the calls or receive alerts about the password resets you didn't request, this could indicate a SIM swap or SIM based attack. So the most important step that you need to take is to enable the SIM lock pin. For that, you need to open your phone's settings. Over here, you just have to tap on the option of the security, or you can also use the search bar here on the top, and then you can directly look for the option of SIM lock. Now, if the SIM lock feature is available in the settings of your device, you just have to select that and create a strong password for your SIM. This prevents anyone from using your SIM in another device without the PIN. The next thing that you need to do is you need to contact your mobile carrier and you need to ask them to add extra security to your account, such as a port freeze or account PIN. This also blocks the unauthorized SIM replacement requests. Next, you can also check the call forwarding settings. For that, you need to open your phone's app settings, and then you need to make sure that the calls or the messages aren't being forwarded to the unknown numbers. Also, you need to review the linked accounts, secure important services like email, banking, and the social media, change any passwords, and enable app-based two-factor authentication instead of SMS when possible. Now, if you suspect any kind of active tampering, temporarily enable the airplane mode. For that, swipe down the notification bar, tap on the airplane mode, wait for some time, and then tap on the airplane mode again in order to turn it off. Then you need to immediately speak to your carrier. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.